So, vacant house. Something about a wall heater with caulk and a water heater with a leaky T&P. Wall heater. Wall heater with caulk. Let's see where the T&P's at. Drippy T&P. Okay, they shut the water off to it, so we gotta get that T&P replaced. Something about caulk on a gas valve. Oh, maybe. Yeah, maybe down here. Right here. They just sealed up the floor. That's all they did. Oh, guys, I got you in a chest mount. So we'll just bust that caulk out of there. But we'll get the, see if we get any pressure on this. A little water. I'm sure we can do that one on the fly. There's no pressure on it. There's not much water in there. Let me go grab a T&P and some tools. They're just selling this house here. They had someone come in. I don't even know how much they're selling this thing for. Probably cheap. This ain't much of a house. Luckily, I got the long one. I don't have any pressure. Well, a little water, not much. A little water. Yeah, just static pressure on the tank. Usually you just get the pressure off the tank here. Pop them in, pop them out really quick. And we'll call that good right there. A little water on the floor ain't gonna hurt nothing, it'll just dry up. Get the water back onto it. It's stuck, but that's it for that one. You know, the shit home inspectors pick up on is gay. To a certain extent. I mean, all they did was use caulk to seal the hole. That's basically it. And the home inspector banged them on it. Shut it off. Okay, that's good. Just a little adjustment there. A little too much. Went a little caulk crazy. I don't know. Looks like this is the only source of heat for this house. House is small. It's a real small house. Really small. So we got the source of heat here. We got a wood stove, and that's it. Let's see, how many square feet are they calling this thing? 1,000. I don't even think it's that. All right. Well, that's it for this one. There ain't much to it. Not much to it. Get the lockbox all locked back up. We're done. Quick, easy call. Got to get used to this new camera. It's an Insta360 4K with a 4K boost lens, so you know I had you on a chest mount. We'll see how this camera works. I was kind of getting frustrated with the GoPro. Sometimes it would turn on, I would miss footage. I thought I'd give this one a try. It's got a lot more options. Not that I'm going to use them. I could have shot 4K in the GoPro. I'm shooting 4K in this. We'll see what happens. Most everything I was shooting before was like, I don't know, 2.7K. We'll see how this works. I don't know. Originally when I got it, I was having problems. I couldn't even hook the darn thing up and get my videos off of it. Then they did a software update and it works. So I can't complain. All I want is a camera that works, takes video. That's it. Well, that's it for this one. The home inspector banged him on that caulk around the gas valve and the TMP that was leaking. So we got the water turned back on, and the caulk away from the gas valve so it can actually turn on and off. And that was it. But you know, it's not the, I mean, the house is very, very small. It's a house. Nothing to it. Alright guys, you guys know what you need to do. Like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. We'll go from there.